Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and today we are going to talk about our sliding plank. The sliding plank is a piece of both plank movements and push-up movements. This is a fundamental core activation exercise that we do for people who need to do burpees or mountain get-ups or all the other types of get-ups that come from chest facing towards the ground. We are going to start in our standing position because we are always getting up and getting down between these activities. Kneecaps pulled up, hips push all the way forward. Arms out in front. Get down nice and low. Tricep to the knee just to make sure you're checking distance. Get all the way down. On this one, we are going to put our knees flat on the ground and we are going to roll the tops of our feet to be flat on the ground. We are not having our toes rolled underneath. The toes rolled underneath version is a higher level of this and it has a different purpose. Roll your toes underneath, sit in this position. From here, we are going to set up into the bottom of our child's pose to get our distance for our hands. Set all the way out, reach, tailbone back towards our heels. You should be further back than me. Hands reach out overhead. This is our distance that we are going to set our hands and our feet at. You will notice it is the exact same distance as the top of our push-up. All of these have common setups so that they all link together very effectively. What we are going to do is we are going to start in our child's pose, slide forward to the bottom position of a push-up. Our nose is going to stay the same distance away from the ground on the way out and on the way back. If you are going up and down in this movement, you are not doing it correctly yet. There are circular versions of this. They are more advanced and they are super annoying. Seiza. Child's pose. Eyes look straight at the ground and they are going to stay pointed straight at the ground the entire time. We are going to slide forward. Our elbows are going to touch the ground, slide all the way out, elbows come up. Here's the important part. Tuck your tailbone underneath to engage your core. Keep it engaged. Push back. Head stays same distance from the ground the entire time. Now some reps at greater speed. Head stays constant distance from the ground. Ride out. Squeeze the glutes. Slide back, ride out, squeeze the glutes, slide back, ride out, squeeze the glutes, slide back, ride out, squeeze the glutes, pull the belly button towards the spine as hard as possible, slide back. Things people are not going to do. They are not going to squeeze their glutes when they get to the top of the movement. They are going to slide up and down. They will also get confused where the elbow moves. The arms are straight, elbow touch, bottom of the push-up. On the way back, elbows touch the ground again, and then your arms achieve lockout again. Let's do it again. Watch the elbows. Let's talk our way through the elbows. Seiza, child's pose. Arms are straight. Push the chest towards the ground. Elbow touch. Slide out, squeeze the glutes. Elbows are towards your hip. Your elbows are squeezed tight to your body. On the way back, push back. Elbows touch the ground. Keep pushing back. Elbows lift up off the ground. Elbow touch, bottom of the push-up, glute squeeze, push back. Elbow touch, keep sliding back, arm lock. Exhale where you want to have the most tension, which is out at the front of the movement where you are squeezing your glutes. You are squeezing your glutes, you are exhaling, you are firing these muscles as hard as you can and rolling your tailbone underneath. Let's demonstrate it one more time. Seiza position, reach out 1, reach out 2, elbow touch, slide out. Then we will stand all the way up. Hands flat on the ground, roll the toes underneath, push back into your heels, stand all the way up, pull your legs up at the top, squeeze your glutes. This is a prep exercise to make people better at plank. I don't like static planks because most people are not doing them correctly. So we find a bunch of other exercises to force people to do them better.